The relentless quest for mastery is a timeless endeavor, echoing through the annals of human history. The pursuit of excellence, whether in the realms of music, language, craftsmanship, or athletics, is a profound and enduring facet of human existence. Yet, the question that often arises and reverberates in the minds of aspiring learners is this: how long does it truly take to master a new skill? This inquiry, seemingly simple, unfurls into a labyrinthine exploration, with numerous threads interwoven into the tapestry of mastery. The multifaceted nature of skill mastery. The term mastery itself is multidimensional, its definition shifting with context and perspective. For some, it denotes the attainment of a basic level of proficiency, while for others, it signifies the pinnacle of excellence, elevating individuals into the upper echelons of their chosen discipline. As such, the duration required to achieve mastery can vary dramatically, contingent upon a constellation of factors. Factors influencing the mastery timeline. Skill complexity. The complexity of the skill itself is a fundamental determinant of the time needed for mastery. Simpler skills may yield to an individual's dedication in a matter of weeks or months, whereas highly intricate skills may demand years, if not a lifetime, of tireless pursuit. Previous experience. Pre-existing knowledge and experience in related areas can expedite the learning process. Skills that build upon a foundation of existing expertise or share similarities with already mastered domains tend to be absorbed more expeditiously. Practice intensity. The frequency and intensity of practice sessions cast a long shadow on the path to mastery. Diligent, focused practice, conducted on a daily basis, often propels individuals toward proficiency at a swifter pace compared to sporadic, less concentrated efforts. Natural aptitude. The enigmatic presence of natural aptitude or talent for certain skills can bestow a head start. Yet, it is imperative to emphasize that even individuals endowed with innate talent must complement it with relentless practice to approach the zenith of mastery. Quality of practice. Not all practice is created equal. Deliberate, purposeful practice that challenges individuals and pushes the boundaries of their capabilities far surpasses mindless repetition in its effectiveness. Resources and guidance. Access to high-quality resources, be they books, courses, mentors, or coaches, can significantly truncate the learning curve. Learning from seasoned experts enables individuals to sidestep common pitfalls and catalyze progress. Goals and expectations. The elusive definition of mastery is malleable, conforming to the individual's objectives. For some, mastery equates to competence; for others, it signifies joining the elite ranks of world-class experts. Consequently, the timeline fluctuates accordingly. Motivation and persistence. In the crucible of skill acquisition, motivation and unwavering persistence act as steadfast companions. Learning a new skill is often a demanding and, at times, exasperating journey. Yet, those who weather setbacks and endure are frequently rewarded with accelerated progress. Age. The age at which an individual embarks on their journey bears relevance. Neuroplasticity. The brain's ability to reorganize and adapt varies with age. While youth often offers a more pliable canvas for new skills, adulthood remains an opportune period for substantial growth through dedicated effort. Embracing the odyssey. Ultimately, the duration required to master a new skill is a fluid concept. Skill complexity, practice intensity, natural aptitude, available resources, and personal goals converge to shape the temporal dimensions of mastery. Yet, what transcends temporal confines is the significance of the journey itself. The pursuit of mastery is a testament to human potential, resilience, and the unquenchable thirst for excellence. It compels individuals to venture beyond the familiar, nurturing resilience and unlocking latent potential. It is a journey that extends beyond the horizon, inviting individuals to continually challenge themselves, explore their limits, and derive profound fulfillment from the ceaseless pursuit of knowledge and skill. Mastery is not a destination but an enduring voyage that enriches the human experience and imbues it with purpose and meaning. Conclusion. In the labyrinth of skill acquisition, the question lingers: how long does it take to master a new skill? The answer, as diverse as the skills themselves and the individuals embarking on this quest, is a testament to the multifaceted nature of human potential. Mastery remains a journey, one that defies the constraints of time and enlivens the human spirit with the enduring pursuit of excellence. It is in the odyssey of mastery that individuals discover not only the zenith of their abilities but the profound richness of the human experience itself.